We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I'm Dave. Today, custom project GBPJPY. Let's get started into it. Check out the book. This is the last time that I'll give you a reminder on that, but I'm just so stoked to hear your feedback on the book. So shoot me an email and tell me what you think. Here is the blog where you can download it. I'll put it in the description below. GBPJPY. There's only one version for this, but there's 3 time frames: hour 1, hour 4, and daily chart. You can download it from here. It's in the Dropbox and a zip file. Just download it and then upload it to StrategyQuant. So let's go check out StrategyQuant. We're in StrategyQuant, and here are those custom projects for building those strategies. One major difference in all of this custom project compared to the other ones is there's no time frame retest on our like a lower time frame or a higher time frame. So yeah, you're just doing out of sample and then 2 different currency pairs, slippage, and then Monte Carlo parameters, and that's it. And let me know if you can build some great strategies with this. I know I sure did. Tell me which time frame is your favorite. A thumbs up, because that is now 14 custom projects. Should we stop at 20? Because that is enough to build a huge portfolio of strategies. Get started with StrategyQuant, start building those strategies, and then deploying them on a demo account, and then deploying them on a live account. Go for it.